Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss M.L.Aggarwal Class 9 Mathematics, Chapter 16 Mensuration, Exercise 16.4, question number 23 to 27. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve the 23rd question. A square brass plate of side x centimeter is 1 mm thick and weighs 4725 gram. If 1 cc of brass weighs 8.4 gram, find the value of x here. So here we can see the thickness is given. So in this square plate we can let the length to find the volume as x centimeter. Breadth will be same because it is a square plate only. In thickness we can write as the height. So height is equal to thickness we can let. So this is given as 1 mm. We will convert it into centimeter. So 1 by 10 centimeter here. This is 1 by 10 centimeter. Now if you want to find the volume of this brass plate, so volume of brass plate will be length into breadth into height. This is x into 1 by 10 means x square divided by 10 centimeter cubic. Now here it is given that 8.4 gram. If 1 cubic centimeter of brass weighs 8.4 gram. So 8.4 gram of brass is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. We can write centimeter cubic also because this is equal only. So here we can say that volume of 8 point volume of 1 gram of brass we can write. So this is volume of 8.4 gram. So volume of 1 gram of brass is equal to 1 by 8.4. So from there we can write volume of 4725 gram of brass will be equal to 4725 divided by 8.4, which will be equal, we can let it 562.5 centimeter cubic on calculating. So this is the volume of this much gram, means this is the volume it is given here of this we have calculated. So we'll compare these two equations, this one value with this value here. So it will be x square divided by 10 is equal to 5062.5. So from that we can compare, we will multiply it so that we will get the value of length and breadth or the side of the square. So it will be 5625. So here x will be, on taking the under root, this will be 75 centimeter. This is the final answer here in this question. And this is the solution of question number 23 of this exercise 16.4. Let us solve here 24th question. 3 cubes whose edges are x centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted and recast into a single cube of x 12 centimeter. Find x. Here 3 cubes are there. So we can say the total volume of these 3 cubes is equal to the volume of this 1 cube which is recasted here. So this will be, we can write volume of 3 cubes we can write on adding total volume we are writing. So it will be x cubic centimeters cubic plus 512 on taking cube of 8. So this will be 512 centimeter cubic plus 1000 centimeter cubic. So we can add this x cubic plus here this will be 1512 centimeter cubic. We will now take the volume of new cube which is recasted. So it will be 12 cube. 12 ka cube, so centimeter cubic. So we can just calculate it. It will be 1728 centimeter cubic. On comparing this to find the value of x, we can write x cubic plus 1512 is equal to 1728. Means 1728 minus 1512. On subtracting we will get 216. Now we will take the cube root of 216. So this will be 6 here. Means the value of x which we have to find in this question is x 6, sorry. So this is the final answer and this is the solution of the 24th question. Let us solve your 25th question. The area of cross section of a pipe is 3.5 centimeters square and water is flowing out of pipe at the rate of 40 centimeter per second. How much water is delivered by the pipe in 1 minute is asked. So here the area of cross section of pipe is given to us. So that is equal to 3.5 centimeter square. Now the rate of flow is also given, which is 40 centimeter per second. Means if we find the length of the pipe here in 1 second, length of water flowing from pipe in 1 second will be 40 centimeter, we can write. So this will be, here we can write volume of the water flowing. We can calculate by multiplying area of a cross section with the length here. So this will be 3.55 into 40. So 140 centimeter cubic is the volume of water which is flowing. This is the volume of water flowing in 1 second here. Means if we want to find it for 1 minute, so volume of water flowing in 1 second, flowing in 1 minute, sorry, this we can write it as 140 into 60 second, which on calculating we will get here 8400 centimeter cubic. And as we know, as 1 liter is equal to here 1000 centimeter cubic, so we can just convert 1 centimeter 8400 centimeter cubic to liter. So this will be 8400 divided by 1000. So here 8.4 liter is the final, in liter is the final answer here in this question. So this is liter here. So this is the answer of this question. 8.4 liter is the water which is delivered by the pipe in 1 minute. And this is the solution of this 25th question here. Now let us solve here 26 first part. The figure given below shows a solid of uniform cross section. Find the volume of the solid. All measurements are in centimeter and all angles in the figure are right angles here. This is the figure of the first part. So for finding the volume of this, we can firstly write, we will see the figure, then we will get that there are two cuboidal shape structures in this. So we can write there are two cuboids of dimension, we can write. Firstly, we will see this cuboid here in which length is 6, breadth is here 4, and height is 2. So this will be 6, comma 4, comma 2. And the second dimension of the cuboid will be, here the whole side is 6. So we will subtract 6 with 2. This is the height of this part. So this will be 6 minus 2, it will be 4. So 4 comma 4 means width is also 4, height is again 2. So this will be 4 comma 4 comma 2. Now if you want to find the volume of the solid here, so we can write it as 6 into 4 into 2 plus 4 into 4 into 2. So this will be 24 into 2 plus 16 into 2. So 48 plus 32. So this will be 80 centimeter cubic is the answer here in this question. Means the volume of this solid part is 80 centimeter cubic. So this is the solution of 26 first part. Let us solve here 22 second part. The figure given below shows the cross section of a concrete wall to be constructed. It is 2 meter wide at the top and 3.5 meter wide at the bottom, and its height is 6 meter and its length is 400 meter here given to us. Then calculate the cross section area and the volume of the concrete in the wall. So for here we have, for finding the cross sectional area we can use the formula of trapezium, because it is a trapezium given to us. So half sum of parallel sides into height. So if we calculate it, we can write it half. Sum of parallel sides will be 5.5. 5.5 into 6. So this will be 3, and 16.5 centimeter meter square will come as the cross sectional area. Now the second thing is the volume of concrete in the wall we have to find. So here, if we have to find the volume, we can use the formula of cross section. So here we know volume of any cross section is area of cross section or length into breadth or height. Any one of them we can take. So we will take here, given part is length to us. So we can take length. This will be area of cross section. From here we can write 16.5 into length is 400 here. So on multiplying it, we will get 6600 centimeter meter cubic, sorry, here. So this is the final answer here in this question. Means the solution of 22 second part is this, sorry, 26 second part is this. Now let us solve 26 third part. The figure given below shows the cross section of a swimming pool 10-meter broad, 2-meter deep at one end and 3-meter deep at the other end. Calculate the volume of water it will hold when full, given that its length is 40 meter. So here firstly we will find the area of cross section, so that we will put in the formula of volume is equal to area of cross section of this part into the height or length or breadth, whatever we have, but length is given, so we will take length here. So area of cross section, it is a trapezium given, so we can write sum of parallel sides 2 meter plus 3 meter, sorry, this is 3 meter here. So 2 plus 3 into height, because it is broad 2 meter, it is 10-meter broad, means the height is 10 here. So we will just multiply it with that by applying the formula for trapezium. So it will be 5 into 5, means 25 centimeter square. Now we want to find the volume. What amount of water will that swimming pool gonna store? So it will be volume is equal to area of this cross section into length. So this will be here, area of cross section is 25 into length. Length is here 40. So this is 1000 meter cubic. So here this is the final answer in this question, 26th third part. This is the solution of this question. Now let us solve here 27th question. A swimming pool is 50 meters long, 15 meters wide. Its shallow and deep ends are 1.5 meters and 1.5 meters deep respectively. If the bottom of the pool slopes uniformly, find the amount of water required to fill the pool. So here if we want to find the area of this trapezium, it will form a trapezium, so we can use the formula of trapezium to find the area of the cross section. So it will be 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides, so 1.5 meters plus 4.5 meters, so it will be 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2 into the height of that trapezium. So the broadness is the height here we will take. So it will be 15, means 1 by 2 into 12 by 2 into 15. This will be cancel out here, and 15 into 3 will be 45 meter square. Now if you want to find the amount of water required to fill the pool. So we will use the area of trapezium to find the volume. So volume of trapezium will be area of trapezium, or sorry, volume of the swimming pool. Here volume of the swimming pool will be equal to area of trapezium into length. So I'll put the value here. So height or length. So it will be, we have to take length only. So we will take here length 50. Area of trapezium is 45 and this is 50. So we can write here 2250 meter cubic is the answer in this question. So this is the final solution of 27th question here.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.